Well, good evening, Dad. I'm coming to you from Kakata this evening, where we are working. We are cashing the backyard and facing the Palava hut. So now I'm about to enter here. Your post on there. Oh, okay. So this is it. We are facing this place here. Okay, so we're doing cashing. Oh, okay, let me take you at the back today, the work I did. So I'm going to show that to you so you can see the level of work that have been done here in Kakata. So we did a caching today at the back, and by the grace of God we were able to complete the caching of the floor, everything. So you can see the roof. This is it. So here see the caching. This is the back gate, and then this is the Palava hut. You can see caching is still ongoing here, and we just got through today. And this is the work that we did. So you can see, like we told you previously. So you see the inside of the Palava hut here. Yeah, so here you see the caching. There's a caching going straight in from here. Look here, this is it, and then another caching going straight in from. You can see this, another caching going here, and then from there I'm still walking straight from the back of the fence. So I'm walking towards the